What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're talking about a brand new token. It just dropped 2 months ago and it is called Gold Token, or you can look it up at the GOLDFARM.io. Now, I lucked up with this one. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I found it on Twitter. Right. But come to find out, when I found it, it proved to be legit, and I'm bringing it to you guys. Now, before we get this started, smash that like so somebody else can learn how to get free crypto by holding their crypto. Subscribe so you can get all kinds of tips, tricks, and all kinds of things like that. But if you're having a hard time and you're struggling, go ahead and head over to themarketfox.com or click the link in my description. That way I can help you out with a one-on-one session. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so as we mentioned, back with another one. Now, today we're going over GOLDFARM. And so with that, we're going to just start by pulling up the website, GOLDFARM.io. And I'm going to go ahead and break this down for you guys. With GOLDFARM, you input one crypto and you can potentially get back two, depending on when that farm was released. And or are you using a token outside of gold? So what do I mean by that? So for example, do you see how you get gold in FBNB? You deposit gold and you'll earn FBNB. Okay. Now in this one is TRDG. You input feast and you can earn Feg. But if you notice when you hit on earned that it opens up and it says gold down here in the bottom right. Well, sometimes when new projects are launched, within those 30 days of that project being launched, if you are inputting in whatever deposit you necessary, so in this case it would be feast, and let's say it was released today, then 30 days from today or for the next 30 days, I'll be receiving what's called a gold bonus, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and pull up my personal one. And what we're going to look at is Feg and Rich. Now, from here, I deposited Feg to earn Richie or Rich coin. And I've already beginning earning Richie or Rich, and I'm already still earning Feg. If I wanted to claim it, tap on claim rewards. I can claim my Rich. I can claim the gold if I was receiving gold, and also I can claim my frictionless rewards. Now as well, if I want to add to this, guys, I'm more than happy to do so. I will type in the amount and then just hit farm. Okay. Now from there, I would just set it, forget it, and just wait for it to, build up rich coins and continue building Feg friction. And from there, that's how you develop a passive income utilizing GOLDFARM.io. Now, you do not have to just utilize Feg or gold, but you will have to deposit the correct crypto. In this case, it's gold. Looking at this one. In this case, it's Feg. In this case, it's feast. So I just wanted to illustrate the differences, guys. As well, if you tap the eye icon up here, it'll tell you what you're getting into in reference to what coin will you be receiving, and give you a description of that pool. So if you're just like, oh, what's this? Okay. Now, let's back up. I'm going to head over here to Twitter, where I initially found GOLDFARM. And as I mentioned, for example, with ROK, they have been released within the last 44 minutes. So over the course of the next 30 days, if you deposit gold, then not only would you receive the ROK, you will also receive a gold bonus. Right? Cool. So from there, guys, this is just their Instagram. I'm sorry, not Instagram, their Twitter. And it does show all of their partners. And it shows you passive income from everyone, tokens by depositing gold. And it heads to the moon. So other than that, guys, that has been a review on the gold farm. Go ahead and buy you some gold, buy you some Feg, and start farming. Because at the end of the day, all that you're going to do is earn passive income. Okay? I hope everybody has a great day. My name is Kevin Valentine. And as I always say, if you find yourself having trouble learning, understanding these crypto markets, please hit me up at themarketfox.com. And I would love to help you with a one-on-one session. Other than that, my name is Kevin Valentine, and you guys enjoy your day.